CAG report on the now scrapped excise policy of the Delhi government flagged several lapses in the policy and claimed rupees 2,026 crore loss to the exchequer. This figure was put out for the first time to show the impact of the alleged liquor scam. Bharatiya Janata Party trained guns at Aam Aadmi Party, accusing it of committing liquor scam, which led to huge revenue loss to the state. Take a look.
Scam heat mounting on Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party in run-up to Delhi polls. Fighting the Chief Minister House flirt charges, Aam Aadmi Party found it staring at the fallout of liquor scam. A shocking CAG finding has indicted the Aam Aadmi Party for causing revenue loss of rupees 2,026 crore through its scrapped excise policy. The CAG report pointed to major Kejriwal government lapses and kickbacks received by Aam Aadmi Party leaders while formulating the liquor policy. The bombshell report by audit watchdog CAG reveals a revenue loss of rupees 2,026 crore under the Delhi government's liquor policy. It points to deviations from the original policy objectives, with expert panel recommendations ignored. It says dubious bidders with questionable finances were allowed to take part by Kejriwal government despite red flags. The findings show that Aam Aadmi Party government also allegedly failed to penalize those violating liquor license and allowed lack of transparency in fixing liquor prices. The report also mentions that key decisions bypassed cabinet and LG approvals, and excise rules were not presented to the assembly for ratification. BJP and Congress cornered the Delhi government over the explosive liquor scam findings, pointing to Aam Aadmi Party allegedly using the scam money to fight polls.
आम आदमी पार्टी ने कहा था पाठशाला बनाएंगे, पाठशाला तो नहीं मधुशाला बनी। ये झाड़ू की बात करते थे, झाड़ू से दारू पे आए। ये स्वराज की बात करते थे, स्वराज से शराब पर आए। किंग पिन कोई है तो अरविंद केजरीवाल है।
10-12 साल पहले इन्होंने कांग्रेस पे बहुत इल्जाम लगाए थे, आज वही इनके सर पर आके गिर रहे हैं। तो ये बात स्पष्ट हो जाती है कि दिल्ली में सही में जो आदमी अपने आप को कट्टर ईमानदार घोषित करता था, CAG की रिपोर्ट ने उसको कट्टर भ्रष्ट एक तरीके से घोषित किया है।
Aam Aadmi Party dismissed the CAG probe findings as a political gimmick and sought proof of kickbacks.
कहाँ है CAG रिपोर्ट? CAG रिपोर्ट कहाँ है? उसकी कोई कॉपी है आपके पास? कहाँ से CAG रिपोर्ट? भाजपाई बौखला गए हैं, मानसिक रूप से विक्षिप्त हो गए हैं, चौराहे पे खड़े होकर कुछ भी चिल्ला रहे हैं। उनकी हर बात का हम जवाब थोड़ी देंगे।
Then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and the top leadership of Aam Aadmi Party were arrested over liquor scam before getting bail. Will the scam showdown swing voters on February 5th? Bureau Report, India Today.